Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a product I really like. It's Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish, and I'm going to show you guys how you can clean the exhaust tip on either your truck or your car. This is actually my neighbor's Toyota Tundra. So I just got done washing the truck. As you guys can see, it's just kind of a white clay, and I recommend washing the car first or at least degreasing it with a degreaser. But this product's really inexpensive, really easy to use, and I saw this chrome tip and I was like, man, I know I can get this looking a lot better. So it just rubs on. You want to just rub it in really good. Just try and get it over it. It will haze a little bit and it will look like it's taking a little bit of black off the exhaust tip, but that's totally normal. And so as you can just see, I just go around it a few times, just make sure I kind of get on every single side of it. And if you guys need to apply it more than once, you can, but I find it works really well the first time. So I just used a microfiber cloth. As you guys can see, the cloth is starting to get pretty black on it. That's just part of it cleaning it. That's part of the polish. And yeah, you can see it definitely has a few a few black marks on it. But now I just kind of folded it to a new side. You obviously want to make sure that's a clean side, and then you just buff off. And honestly, it leaves a tremendous shine. I use this on my Dodge Challenger. Like I said, this is my neighbor's Toyota Tundra, but it leaves the chrome looking amazing on the truck. And I'll zoom in here for you guys here in just a second so you can see the finished product on it. But really, it took me less than, I don't know, 2-3 minutes to do, and extremely effective, and this solution's actually very cheap. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to be able to purchase it. But as we zoom in, you can see just how deep the shine is on there and how it was looking before to what it's looking at now. It really just, you can see yourself in it. It's got a great reflection to it. I highly recommend this product. There's a lot of different metal cleaners out there, but this is the one that I've liked best. Since cleaning the exhaust tip really didn't take me much time, I noticed that this running board looked like it was really dull, really kind of faded after I washed it. And so I wanted just to try Coverall. I've used this on my tires before, and it works really good. It lasts for a while, so I thought, hey, I just kind of spray it on here. One mistake I made is you obviously want to make sure that this is completely dry before spraying it on, but I was just doing a quick detail, and honestly sometimes that's all the time we have is just to do a quick detail on it. So I just sprayed the product on there and I just wiped it in really good. And this is the first time I've actually used this as kind of a dressing for plastics, but as you guys can see, it really brings the color back in the running board. And you know, this was kind of just a small test for me because I don't own a truck, and you know, now I'm going to use this on some of my plastics. And so as you can see, it really brings back the color in the running board, and really makes the product look like it was when it was bought, when it was purchased. So Coverall is a great tire dressing. It's not my favorite. I still like the Duracoating tire technology better. If you do leave the Coverall pretty heavy on your tires, it will fling all over your car, and I'm just not a fan of that. So I usually try and wipe it down because you're just supposed to spray it on and walk away, but I actually like to rub it in on my tires just to make sure it doesn't fling all over the place. But as you guys can see, this was another just quick DIY project, and the finished results look awesome. So thanks guys for tuning in. Really appreciate all you guys do. Appreciate the love and the support channel, and we'll catch you next time.